Hi people, I am about to go to school actually, but I'm going to show you my uniform. It's really ugly, so don't park. That works. Okay. Here it is. Okay. My shirt is way too big. It should be here, but it's like here. Okay. And then my skirt, that's plaid. I wear shorts under my skirt. And then my knee-high green socks. And my Prada shoes. If you don't believe me that they're Prada, they see? That's my shoe. Wait, that's my shoe. At the bottom, they say Prada. Okay? So those are my awesome Prada shoes. I know they're kind of ugly, but I don't care. Okay, I have to wear this white collared shirt, and I have to wear a sweater, but I don't know what my sweater is right now. But my white collared shirt is way too big. Okay, come on. Oh, and here's some more of my bags. Yep. So, oh crap, it's on the motion thing. Okay, well that's my uniform. Bye-bye.